today's book. This week, all week, we've been learning about vehicles and different ways of transportation. Well, today's book is about a truck. Some of us have pickup trucks. Pickup trucks help us get from here to there, just like other cars and trains and buses. This is about some truck with some animals. It's called the Little Blue Truck. And it's written by Schertle and illustrated by McElmurry. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck went down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when the Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said peep, ma said a goat, and Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, quack said a duck, beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Do you see all the animals? Honk, yelled a dump truck coming through. I've got big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Is that very nice? Not really. Vroom went the dump. Around a curve he saw a puddle and tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in the muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed that Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together now, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep. Neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. I like that story because it's important to have friends. Friends are always there to give a helping hand. It's a good thing that Blue had such a happy attitude. He was so nice to his friends. His friends wanted to help him when he wanted to help the big dump truck. Well, I hope you have a great weekend, friends. I'll see you again on Monday.